How to create your healthy plate. A healthy meal plan is essential for maintaining good health and overall well-being. Here are some steps to help you create a healthy diet plan. Assess your needs. Determine your daily caloric needs based on your age, gender, weight, height, and activity level. This information will help you plan the right number of calories for your meals. Balance macronutrients. Aim for a balanced intake of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in your diet. This can be achieved by including a variety of foods from each food group. Include fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Try to eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables each day to ensure a balanced intake of nutrients. Choose whole grains. Whole grains are a good source of fiber and provide more nutrients than processed grains. Opt for brown rice, whole grain bread, and whole grain pasta. Incorporate lean proteins. Lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes, are essential for building and repairing tissues. Try to include a source of lean protein in every meal. Limit saturated and trans fats. Saturated and trans fats can increase the risk of heart disease. Limit your intake of these types of fats and choose healthier fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water and limit sugary drinks. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Control portion sizes. Use a food scale or measuring cups to ensure that you are eating the correct portion sizes. This can help you avoid overeating and maintain a healthy weight. Plan ahead. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to ensure that you have healthy options on hand. This can also help you avoid making unhealthy food choices when you are in a hurry. Be mindful of eating habits. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues and try to avoid eating when you are not hungry. Take your time to eat and savor each bite. By following these steps, you can create a healthy meal plan that meets your nutritional needs and supports your overall health and well-being. Remember, it is important to be consistent and make gradual changes to your diet to avoid feeling overwhelmed or deprived.